everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia here. I know I did not upload video last week, and I'm really sorry for that because I have some stuff going around. I tengah nak masuk new semester, but yeah, I guess you can consider that as an excuse. But yep, I have come up with a new idea because last week punya video macam kena delay, some sort of like I have stuff to do. And yep, in today's video, it's gonna be a different video because I am not going to continue the hobby series, but I'll try to come up with any ideas for that series. But in this video, we're gonna have tutorial, and it's very important because it's been requested. It's highly requested from my friend because sekarang everyone already have started the new semester. I guess that's for me, but everyone else are having new semester coming up, so I felt the need and urge to do this video. And it's about how to record online lecture or record your recorded lecture for presentation video. And it's very simple because you only need to have these 3 software, but it's optional because you can choose your software. I just did give bunch of options for you, and yep, I'll try to teach what I know about that particular software or application, and you can just do it. First thing first, we're gonna start with SlideShare. I'm sorry, it's not SlideShare. We're gonna start with Microsoft PowerPoint. I bet everyone else have Microsoft PowerPoint also, but the condition for you to have this feature, you need to be having Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 or 2013 and above, and you can choose this feature. And another 2 is about Filmora as well as screencast or matic, but I guess I need to prioritize Microsoft PowerPoint because it's the easiest and everyone have access to it. But to those who use maybe the open source like WPS, you cannot purchase the Microsoft Office and you only have the basic features, so you can use the other options, and I'll be continuing the video with the tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your friend and anyone you know, because I would be really love if you do that. And yeah, enjoy the video, comment down below, and interact as much as possible if it helps you. Alright, so yeah, into the next video.
This is the easiest way for you to record your video untuk online learning. So what you need to do, firstly, you open any PowerPoint that you are going to record. So if mine, open the PowerPoint, and then you have this whole presentation. You're gonna need to edit this part. This called ribbon now. So you're gonna need to right click and customize the ribbon. Choose the recording here. It's gonna be in the customize the ribbon main tabs. Choose recording and then click OK. So you're gonna have recording here. You have 2 options in the slideshow, whether to record only your PC screen. Before you record, make sure to leave one blank presentation, and you have to click on the insert. This is the first option, and you can just click screen record. When you screen record, you can screen record any of your part of the screen. So as for right now, I'm gonna record the desktop. So let's say we want to record our presentation, right? So you're gonna need to put on slideshow and just record, and this is gonna record your whole PC screen. Alright, so you can just explain what happened next and whatever it is, and it's gonna be right on top of here. When you move around here, you're gonna need to see these particular options, and you can pause or stop. So just like I said before, you have the video, only the video on your PC screen, not from the webcam as well. This is the first option. So you're gonna stop and the video will be right here. We'll just see apa outcome dia after I already do the recorded presentation just now. See screen, alright? So you can just, that's basically what happened when we record. That's the option. So right now you're gonna leave a blank page again. And the second option, you need to click on the recording ribbon, and then you're gonna have to click on record slideshow. When you click on this option, you'll have this screen, and just like you can see there, I am on below, I am dekat bottom of the screen, and right here you have the options to maybe highlight or even just do whatever you want. It's good if you are a lecturer or even a student when you are trying to create a recorded lecture and you need something like whiteboard, how you explain in your class. And let's say here, and then the thing that you're gonna need to do is to record, and you have the option here whether to not use webcam or not. It's one thing, camera, and you also have preview or not. This one is just to preview your face before you start the recording. And then so I have the webcam recording options preview open. So you just record your presentation, and then your face and the slide will appear, and then it's gonna be done and you can't stop. And here it is. As you can see, you also can alter whether to put this one, the one at the screen. So just delete that blank page, and if you notice here, you can still see the part that I highlight. So and then your face and the slide will appear. It's gonna be used per slide, alright? So if you are happen to, let's say we wanna explain the other slides, slideshow, and then you want to record at this point, right? So we're gonna try to record. I will explain about the table of contents, and then we're gonna move to the next slide. Here, regarding the summary of the case, and each of the part of the presentation, I will do on the button and just escape from that particular part of the video. You're gonna have each slide with this part of the video, which means you can choose whether to leave it like this, because most of my lecturers use this method and they just post the PPTX file. But you can also export to video. Let's say you want to export to video, and then you can just choose whatever option. That's the first option, using the PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. If you happen to have the Office 365, I bet everyone dah ada benda tu, so it's gonna be easier for you. But you have another option if you happen to have Wondershare Filmora X, these apps right here. You can click on that. It's also applicable if you want to use this one for screen recording purpose. When you open this, just click on the new project, and here at home, like when you open, this will appear first. You can click on the record option. Let's say you don't want your face to be appear in your slide, that's possible too. So when you click on the record PC screen, you will find this option. It will pop up, and then just click on this record button. Click on the record button and you start to present any slides that you want to present. Just like we have here, let's say I open this yang tadi we already have the presentation one, and then you just talk. If you want to stop the recording, you're gonna need to click on the F9 button, and here it will automatically appear in the Wondershare Filmora X. And yeah,
That's it.
last but not least, the last option that you have is to click on this application, and you need to run it. Record for free. Click on the record for free right here, and just click on the launch free recorder, and there will be options appear here. If you are my friend, you can just PM me for more details about screencast or matic, but I hope the PowerPoint option and the Filmora option is easier for you, and you don't have to need an app for that unless for Filmora. And I guess that's it about our tutorial today.
If you perhaps want me to do more tutorial, comment down below.